Okay, so let's start filling up our little phyllo cups here. I like to put 1 spoonful in first, just to kind of set up the dough on the bottom. You can hear the tomatoes starting to cook. That's awesome. And then I'm going to put a little layer of cheese in there. And you get this little nice in the middle surprise of cheese, a little extra decadence. You know what? I'm going to put that down for a second. I'm going to put a little bit of pepper on my tomatoes there. Come back into it. This is such a fun little recipe. You're gonna have so much fun with it and people are really gonna love it. Okay, that looks good. Let's put a little bit of layer of cheese in there. Okay, so we got that there. I'm just gonna check my tomatoes really quick and see if I need to flip them. Yeah, I'm gonna do a quick flip with the tomatoes. And don't do what I'm doing. Well, you can if you want, using my hands on a hot pan. Those are already just about ready to go on the muffins, on the quiches. Okay, now let's finish filling up our little cups. This part can be a little bit messy because I miss them a lot. I miss the filling the cups. And you want to fill them up almost right to the edge. When they cook, they're going to plump up a little bit more.